Yo YouTube, I am back with a brand new tutorial, and today you found this video because you want to know how to get free Robux in 2026, and I've managed to find some Roblox promo codes that you can apply right now guys, and it is going to give you 10,000 Robux for completely free. And the best part is this literally takes just a few minutes of your time. Everyone can do this. And yeah, it is super simple. Now, before I get into it, I am actually doing a huge Roblox gift card giveaway. So if you don't want to follow this tutorial, you can literally win a Roblox gift card by simply hitting the like button, subscribing to my YouTube channel, and then go ahead and drop your Roblox username in the comment section below. I'm going to be scrolling down the comment section with my eyes closed and choosing a username. I'm giving tons of gift cards away guys, so yep, spam your username in the comments. But anyway, if you don't want to do that, I'm going to be showing you how to get free Robux, and this literally takes a few minutes, and yeah, it is super easy guys. So as you can see, I've got my mobile phone, and let me just show you where you redeem these promo codes. So you enter it into the Roblox website, where you can basically grab your code and enter it in here, and it is going to supply you with 10,000 Robux. So do use your mobile phone internet browser for this guys. It's so much easier on your mobile, and what you're going to want to do is open up the internet and go to www.crashcoupons.com. so as you can see, just type it exactly like this, crash coupons, and if you type it correctly, you're going to be brought to this web page. And I've been using these for loads of other games, but they do have a page on here. So use the search bar and type in Roblox promo codes. Very important you type promo codes, because otherwise you will struggle to find this page. So type Roblox promo codes. And on this page, there is a code that's going to supply you with 10,000 free Robux. So go ahead and scroll down and find this code, Roblox 10,000 free Robux. So go ahead and tap on get code. As you can see, there's 674 codes at the minute, but they do add codes often, so I doubt they'll ever run out. As long as you can find this code, that means they're still available. So click on show full code. Now I've already done this morning, and I believe it does limit one code per user per day. So I don't think I'll be able to get another code, but I can still talk you through the steps. So as you can see, it says your code is ready and will be revealed after verification. So because these are limited codes, you can see it hides your code. You need to unlock your code. That basically prevents people getting more than one. So click on get full code, and you're going to be brought to this page here guys. Now it is super easy. It takes about 5 minutes. You just need to complete 2 of the free offers below, and these are basically mobile apps and stuff, and you just have to follow the instructions. So there is a set of instructions here that tells you how to complete them. They're all completely free. You just need to complete 2 of them, and once you do those and complete 2, it will send you back to Crash Coupons. Like I said, I've already done this, but yeah, your code will be fully revealed in this box. So yeah, the full code will be shown, and you can grab it, enter it into the redeem codes part on the Roblox website, and yeah, that is going to get you free Robux 10,000. So go to Crash Coupons, search for Roblox promo codes like this, and select the 10,000 Robux codes. I am doing that Roblox gift card giveaway, so make sure you do like, subscribe, and drop your username in the comments, spam it below, and I'm going to choose a ton of people. Anyway, that is it. Enjoy. I'll see you in the next one.